Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change language on CoinMarketCap. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the CoinMarketCap application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account. Once signed into the account, tap on the human icon located at the top right, which will then open up several menus on the screen. Select the language option and look for the language you would like to change to from the list. Once you find the language of your preference, tap on it and you will be able to change the language setting from your CoinMarketCap application immediately. So that's how easy it is. You can always get back to the same menu and change your language to something else if you want. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.